Welcome to DJM TV.
My correct people, we greet you now. Welcome una once again to DJM TV. My people, based on all the mago and hardship, the hunger wey be say dey happen for inside Nigeria ever since they remove fuel subsidy. President Tinubu don give una Christmas and New Year gifts by slashing away 50% of interstate travel by road. If you dey go Benin from Lagos, na 20k you dey pay before. From now till 21st of today, will be 21st of December to 4th of January, you will now pay half of what you pay before. 50% don comot automatically. Na wetin dey talk say they don communicate with all road transport service wey dey within Naija. And the Minister of Solid Mineral wey dey call Dele Alake, wey be one of President Tinubu right hand men, na him disclose this new development too. Anyway, my people, I no go talk too much. I will play una this video now, make una watch, make una listen, and make una no forget to like and share. Make una watch the video.
Recognition of the economic situation of the country, which the president is working hard to turn around. President Tinubu wants Nigerians to be able to travel within Nigeria to wherever they want to go to meet their loved ones without the extra burden of paying exorbitantly for interstate public transportation. It is in this wise that the president is announcing to us that beginning from tomorrow, that's the 21st of December, Nigerians willing to travel can board public transport, luxury buses at 50% discount of current cost, and all our train services on the routes the trains currently serve at zero cost to and fro on their travels this holiday season. The president has already directed the police department and the Department of State Services, the military, and all other security agencies to work collaboratively to ensure the holiday period is safe without any security breach in any part of the country. The figure that government will bear has already been determined across board, across all the transport operators and unions. So there is no issue of somebody just immediately increasing the fares because the government is going to bear 50% of it. No, that has been settled. So we had taken care of all the contentious issues before we decided to now come and publicize. So there is going to be a seamless execution, and the Minister of Transport is on top of it as we speak. At the end of the day, the President's initiative is to give succor to the masses. And if we are to be true to ourselves, the masses don't take air travel. They go by land. Wishing every one of us and all Nigerians compliments of the season. And it's our prayers that we all have joyful and pleasant holiday season. In the spirit of Christmas and the end of year festivities, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, in another demonstration of his love for Nigerians, has approved that the federal government should intervene to bring down the cost of public transportation to allow our compatriots who want to travel to visit their loved ones and hometown to do so without stress and the extra burden imposed by the high cost of transport around this period. The President is well aware of the recent increase in cost of interstate transportation and even for air travel. Traditionally, therefore, our people love to travel during Christmas and end of year. DJ